Stop juggling multiple platforms and spreadsheets. Unlock your social media superpower with Notion. Tired of scattered content ideas and missed posting deadlines? Let's transform chaos into a streamlined social media machine using the ultimate all-in-one workspace, Notion. First, we'll build our content calendar, create a new database, and add properties like platform, content type e.g. post, story, reel, status e.g. drafting, scheduled, published, and a crucial publish date. This is your central hub for every piece of content imaginable. Next, let's get visual. Switch to a calendar view to see your entire month's posting schedule at a glance. Use a board view to track content through its life cycle. Moving cards from drafting to approve to schedule. This visual workflow keeps you on track. For each content piece, go deep, add your post, copy directly in the page, upload your visuals, and even link to your draft videos or images. Include a dedicated hashtag property to ensure brand consistency. But it's not just about posting, it's about engagement. Create a separate, simple database to track your post performance, link back to your published content, and log key metrics like likes, comments, and shares. Add a notes section for your observations. Finally, analyze your success. Create a dedicated analytics page. You can embed screenshots of your platform reports or create tables to track key performance indicators like reach, engagement rate, and follower growth over time. This data is gold for optimizing your strategy. By leveraging Notion's flexibility, you'll save time, boost consistency, and truly optimize your social media marketing. Ready to get organized and watch your brand shine? Get started with Notion today.